External hard drives have for a long time been part of many people's everyday lives. There has never been more content to capture and store, let alone create, and external hard drives are the perfect tool to store, transfer and transport it all. There are many products available to choose external hard drives, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best external hard drives from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WD 2TB Elements Portable External Hard Drive. The WD Elements Portable 2TB External Hard Drive is perfect for backing up files on your PC for long-term storage, or for when you're on the go. It's portable enough to fit inside your back pocket. It's also pre-formatted for plug-and-play use with Windows, and is ready to use out of the box without any required setup. This compact drive boasts of USB 2.0 and 3.0 compatibility without requiring a separate power supply, so you can transfer your data from any computer with ease. It has a huge 2TB capacity, housed in a stylish, lightweight design. Western Digital also offers a 2-year limited warranty with this item. All these features combine to make WD Elements one of the best external hard drives for photos, videos, and other documents. You may also want to consider the best internal hard drive as well. Number 2. Phantom Drive's 2TB 7200 RPM External Hard Drive. The Phantom Drive's external hard drive is ideal for game consoles like PS4 and Xbox One. With its fast 7200 RPM hard drive, it will meet the demanding fast loading speeds of your game console, and serve as an expansion of its internal storage. It measures 10.8 x 3.8 x 9, and its case is made of durable aluminum, which also helps dissipate heat more efficiently. You can choose either black or silver for its casing. This 2.4-pound external hard drive's next-generation USB 3.1 Gen 1 interface ensures compatibility with the newest PCs in the market, so it's suitable as a backup drive for your Windows or Mac PCs. It also comes with its own stand, and has an efficient plug-and-play functionality. Make sure to place it in a well-ventilated area, since it can heat up more than the other hard drives on our list due to its faster spin speed. This external hard drive has a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Positive side of this product: best for Xbox One. Fast 7200 RPM hard drive. Updated USB 3.1 Gen 1 interface. Number 3. Toshiba 2TB Portable External Hard Drive. Toshiba's Canvio Basics external hard drive is slim, portable, and offers a big enough storage of 2TB. Its sleek case is made of smudge-resistant matte black finish. It also gives the same plug-and-play functionality without any required software. Plus, it's compatible with both USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 ports. With its 2TB capacity and 150 MB per second speeds, you can use this as a standard backup for your various photos and documents. Measuring 4.3 x 3.1, this 0.33-pound external hard drive is ready to use out of the box for Windows PCs. However, if you're a Mac user, expect that you'll need to reformat this using your machine before you can use it. Toshiba offers a 1-year warranty for this external drive. While not as portable as the best microSD card, these external drives go anywhere. Positive side of this product: slim and light construction. Matte design repels fingerprints and smudges. Very easy setup. Number 4. Maxim 1TB Ultra Slim Portable External HDD. The Maxim Ultra Slim external hard drive comes with a capacity of 1 TB. At 0.4 thick, it's the slimmest among the choices on our list. For reliable file speeds of up to 150 MB per second, it's equipped with an advanced cooling system thanks to its aluminum construction that helps dissipate heat faster. This is the best external hard drive for PS4 because it makes transfers to and from your console worry-free. Perfect for PS4 gamers, installation is a breeze, as well as backing up copies of your favorite games. It comes in 3 different designs: champagne gold, rose pink, and space gray. It also offers a 19 USB 3.0 cable, along with a 3-year warranty. Number 5. G Technology 4TB G Drive USB 3.0 Desktop HDD. The G Technology G Drive features a solid, hefty desktop external hard drive, clad in a durable aluminum case that's perfect for workstation-level backups. This product is a very reliable tool primarily for creative professionals who are Mac users. With transfer rates of up to 245 MB per second, backing up your Mac PC will be pain-free. It will also go along well with Mac computers because of the similar design cues. This external hard drive is time machine ready, making it easy for you to back up and restore files. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.